I made over $1.6 million selling ebooks with a way that you probably never heard of.
$1.6 million selling ebook. That's a bold claim, big claim for a young guy like him. But it is definitely possible. It's a number game. Trust me guys, I'm telling you from experience. However, there are two things. This video is a 30 minutes long video. So boring, you will get tired and probably fall asleep. And let me quickly show you the previews. It's full of screenshots and his handsome face and some text slides on white background. So I thought, why not? We turn this video into a book and give it to you so you can read it and take action at your pace. This book will be available for you 100% free. And to write this book, we will use our proprietary AI Bookmaster chat agent. Before writing this book, we have already analyzed the video, learned everything about what's inside the video, and the system he's talking about is called Paste. You pick a profitable niche in a very specific way, then you assign a ghostwriter. Don't do that because you can use Bookmaster if you want. Then you create and format the book. Well, without further ado, let's just start. Step number 1, click Start. Now my Bookmaster AI agent wants to know about the topic of the book or just a source idea. I'm gonna copy the whole transcript. And the reason I can copy the transcript because no way I'm gonna take a single word from this video. I'm just going to take the idea from the video. And that's also by giving this great guy full credit for the video. He has done an excellent job. I'm gonna paste this right here and simply click this black up arrow button. Now, AI wants to know whether I want to sell something to the book readers or not. I will say yes, I want to sell this Bookmaster AI agent and it's only $9. I'm going to use the link of this website inside the book so my book readers can get a chance to basically access this Bookmaster AI and write their own books in just 2.5 minutes. And the shortest way to do that is just copy the whole sales page, Control C, and say, yes, I want to sell my Bookmaster AI agent to help readers write their own books. And here is the sales copy. Control V and hit enter. I will leave the rest to AI. Now the book I'm writing should provide information, valuable information. And at the same time, it should subtly sell my AI agent without being way too much salesy. So for that, I need copywriting skill, or I need AI to write the book in such a way that the book itself will work as a sales copy. So this AI agent has a default copywriting template, an award-winning copywriting template installed in the system. It will use it. But in case if a user has a different sales copy template, they can provide it. I'm not going to do anything. I'm simply going to say go. Now, do you want to provide a customer avatar? Well, I don't want to. Let's say I'm a beginner and I don't have time for that, or I don't have knowledge for that. So I'm going to say go and figure it out from the video transcript. So now AI is giving me the possible chapters, and the chapters are planned, named, and written in a way that it works as an infomercial. Introduction: why write books with AI? Chapter 1, the secret to writing books in 2.5 minutes. Chapter 2, why most writers fail to sell. Step number 3, how to turn any idea into a profitable book. You got the point. Now, so far, I'm happy with it. So I'm just going to hit go and to get some unique hooks and mechanisms that we can use to boost our sales. I don't want to take time to check which one's the best. I would say go and hit enter. Guys, you understand, I would just hit go, 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 and the book will be completed in no time. That's how AI works. And because I'm taking ideas and information from this video, the book will contain high quality information. And at the same time, the book will work as an infomercial and subtly promote this AI agent. However, and in case you think you need this AI agent, you will find the link to this website in the description below. It's only $9. I can guarantee you, if you spend this $9, you will not become poor. You might be actually using it and make money out of it. So while the book is being written by AI, let's go and learn something from this video. One of the most important things to learn from this video is how to pick a profitable topic.
In my opinion, this is the worst place to sell your ebooks. Now, the reason why selling on these websites or perhaps on your own website absolutely sucks is because unless you already have a huge following, your website essentially has zero traffic, right? On top of that, you have to deal with customer service. You have to do all the work there. You have to deal with delivering the product. You got to deal with refunds.
Well, he means to say that you should not sell your books on your website or platforms like Gumroad, etc. because you'll have to use your own traffic and also take care of all these issues yourself.
Well, this is actually possible by selling on Amazon. Because normally as a business owner, you have to do shipping and handling. You have to figure out the inventory. You got to build the website. You need to find the customers.
But if you use Amazon, Amazon is basically providing you with all this. In my opinion, there are good side and bad side with selling on Amazon. But for beginners who don't have their own traffic, selling on Amazon can be an advantage. So I agree with him.
But by selling on Amazon, literally every single thing that I listed here, Amazon does it all for you.
Yeah, that is the point. This is the reason you should consider selling on Amazon.
And on top of that, Amazon absolutely dominates the book market. Okay, so more than 70% of all US book sales are coming from Amazon's platform Kindle. So literally over 70% of people who buy books buys it on Amazon. So why not sell it on Amazon? Like, why are you even trying to sell it outside?
That's true. He has a point. And he gives an example of Alex Hormozi, who is a famous influencer, a big businessman. He sells his book for 50 cents. Reason? Even if it's 50 cents or 99 cents or whatever, they are bought by other book readers. These guys are buyers. So by selling the book on Amazon, Alex gets his book exposed in front of direct buyers and not tire kickers. Amazon provides you the opportunity of sell the same book in multiple formats. You can sell the Kindle format, the hardcover format, the paperback format, and even turn the book into audiobook and sell on Audible. Just one book. Imagine what's going on when I'm getting this book written. And I'm also giving this book to you for free. You can use it, do whatever you want. But don't try to sell this on Amazon, because if everybody does that, everybody's account will be banned. But now you see the power of having an AI writer like this.
So through this business model of selling ebooks, paperbacks, audiobooks, different formats on Amazon through the Amazon KDP program, I've made multiple six figures a year for multiple years. Okay, I started this business when I was 22. Now I'm approaching 30 years old, right? And so I've been doing this for over 8 years.
Sounds reasonable. After 8 years of doing something, you become an expert, and multiple six figures a year is definitely possible. I mean, guys, what is stopping you? Just start. It's free to make a book with AI, upload it on Amazon, get approval and start selling. And you can sell each book in multiple formats. Make money from same Amazon, from same book, multiple ways. If you want ideas about book topics,
You could also go to the bestsellers category on Amazon, right? And there are a lot of categories here that you can basically go and check. So as an example, let's click on crafts, hobbies, and home. And you can basically start looking at, these books and see what kind of topics pop up, right? So all of these are coloring books. These are all cute and comfy coloring books. So it has a theme, which is cute and comfy. So if you enjoy creating coloring books, if you enjoy these kind of art style, then you can definitely write this down. This is a paint by sticker books for kids in the Halloween edition. So it's selling really, really well as well.
here is a great way to research.
First, you want to download this tool called DS Amazon Quick View. This is a free Google plugin, so just look it up in the Chrome store.
Just search DS Amazon Quick View for this Google Chrome extension and click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, and it's added. The moment it's added, look, the plugin is automatically working with the Amazon bookstore, and it's showing the ranking for the best sellers. Like this one is number 1, this is number 2, number 3. If I choose any other department or topic, it will also show you the rankings. Once you know about a hot topic and a profitable topic, you can just use AI, type go and hit enter, and write books just like I do. If it flops, so what? You make another one. You're not writing anything, AI is writing for you. Guys, I'm not joking. This AI agent will change your life. It's only $9 right now, and price will rise for sure. Before price rises, go click the link in the description and get it. Start using it. You will have more fun than you have while playing games. Step number 3 is create the book. I'm not going to talk about it because AI is going to do it for you. Your job is to have fun, get it written, and make money. Here is one more thing before you finalize your book: proofreading and editing. Basically, you carefully read through and make sure that you're happy with the content, even if AI has written it. To be successful, you need to add a little more work. However, if you're using the Bookmaster, then at the end, Bookmaster will ask you whether you want to make it unique or you want to look like completely written by a human or not. Just say go and Bookmaster will do its job.
And you want to use tools like Grammarly Premium for plagiarism check, because you definitely do not want to upload a book that is plagiarized. So you always want to do a plagiarism check before you upload. And if you do find plagiarism, or if you do find errors, and this is a ghostwritten book, then just ask them to revise it. They will fix it for you.
You're not going to use Ghostwriter anyway. You have AI.
Then the next thing is you want to format the book. So we're going to format it for both ebook and paperback, so we can sell it in both versions. This is something that you can do it yourself if you want to. I do actually have a step-by-step tutorial on this on YouTube. So once again, I'll leave a link to this video in the description. Or if you don't want to deal with this, if you don't want to do it yourself or learn the process, then once again, you can outsource this to somebody else.
One of my go-to places is Fiverr. Search with Amazon Book or Amazon KDP. You'll find tons of Fiverrs are doing it at a very cheap price. Now, this step is execute a marketing plan.
Step 4, which is book marketing. So it is important to market your book in the first 30 days by getting as many sales and reviews as possible, which tells Amazon that your book is in demand. By getting sales, by getting reviews, Amazon will see that, oh, this book is popular. Let's show it to more people because people are liking it, right? So that is how Amazon will go and push your book to more people. It'll rank your book higher in their algorithm, and your book will be seen to more people, which is how you get those organic sales, reaching more than just your audience, right? And you'll be making a lot of extra sales, a lot of extra income, a lot of extra passive income, because now Amazon's doing the marketing for you. So before you go and get sales, you first want to get reviews. I highly recommend you get a minimum of 15 reviews before marketing, because reviews act as a social proof. It's a lot easier to get sales on a book that has some reviews compared to 0 reviews. There are many free and cheap ways to get reviews.
One of the best ways is to give away for free on social media and even on Amazon. Then reach out to the reviewers and ask them for feedback, or write a review for them and tell them and request them to publish the review. Now let's talk about sales, because that's the only thing that makes you money.
Nothing tells Amazon that more than getting reviews and sales. You want to do a little work in the beginning, then Amazon will take over the rest, which
I agree. So in my opinion, well, AI is taking care of most of the hard work. As a book owner, it's our job to try and get as many reviews as possible, and even try to push the sales at the beginning so Amazon can see that it's moving. Finally, diversify the income stream and make more money from every single book. And one of the ways to do it is affiliate marketing. Put your affiliate link inside the book. It has to be a relevant topic, a relevant product or service. A lot of readers will buy from your link and you will make money. Of course, I have already mentioned the other Amazon ways, and we have added a special bonus for the first 25 customers of the Bookmaster AI agent. We will give you our personal Rolodex of book marketplaces, so you can sell the same book in multiple marketplaces and make money from multiple directions. Go check the first link in the bio. It's only $9. I can guarantee you it will not make you poor. And it comes with a no hard feeling money back guarantee. If you don't like it, just ask for your money back and we will give you $9 back. Who cares? And in the meantime, the whole book is ready. I'm going to leave the book link in the description so you can enjoy reading it. But some of the chapters are separated, so I am lazy and I want to tell the AI to put all the chapters in one place so I can copy from here and paste in a document. I think AI is making us way lazier than we were before. Did you like this video? Was it good? If yes, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Oh yes, switch on the notification bell button so YouTube can notify you next time we upload a new video. And if you want to learn about how to get free traffic, make high-ticket affiliate commissions, and other different ways to make money online, then watch these videos and these videos. And for every other resources, check the link in the description. And we'll see you in the next video. Nice, the whole video is ready. I'm gonna copy the whole book and paste it right here. And boom, a 10-page book is written without me writing a single word. In case you're wondering, it has 3,652 words. I'll put the link to the book in the description below so you can read the book and learn.